Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to edit your photos with rose gold filter using Lightroom Mobile. Passwords for presets will appear as an iCard anytime in this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel. So let's start editing. Bring contrast to 2. Highlights to -100 and shadows to 18. Now go to curve and follow the steps. Temp to 12. Bring tint and vibrance to 34. Saturation to -20. Now go to color mix. Saturation to -24 and luminance to -2 for red. For orange, bring hue to -14, saturation to 16. Now go to yellow and bring hue to -46, saturation to -10 and luminance to -50. For green, bring hue to 26, saturation to -70 and luminance to -2. Bring hue to 46, saturation to 60 and luminance to 30 for aqua. Hue to -40, saturation to -24 and luminance to -10 for blue. For purple, bring hue to 16, saturation to -20 and luminance to 10. And finally, hue to -10, saturation to 30 and luminance to -12 for magenta. Now texture clarity, dehaz, and vignette to 4. Now go to color grading. For shadows, bring hue to 218 and saturation to 10. For highlights, bring hue to 218. Then sharpen to 6. Noise and color noise reduction to 5. Now let's try and copy settings to other photos. You may need to change a few settings after applying the presets to your photos. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.